One of the easiest ways for any beginner trader to start making money from the get-to-go, from the get-to-go in the trading markets, is through copy trading. So what is copy trading? So copy trading is basically when trades that are taken by a professional trader are mirrored onto your account. I'll give you an example. So if I take a trade and I probably take buy trade to the 0.01 lot or 0.1 or 0.01 lot, the same trades are mirrored onto your account, but the risk volume allocation depends on the settings that you put in on your account. So the higher chances you'll make the same money as me, or you make a little bit less than me what I made. But the only best thing about copy trading is you're copying from an experienced trader and money stays in your own account. You understand, traders? So basically copy trading, you're just copying my trades. How does copy trading work? So I'm going to be explaining to you and showing you how copy trading works, how can you get started with it, and then more and more. With copy trading, you don't need to just copy any trader. You copy a trader based off their performance. Below this video, I'm going to be leaving the links to my copy trading, and right now I'm just going to show you the performance that we have already done on my copy trading, so that you guys can see. You know, most of you guys have been seeing me for the longest and you have seen my results, and most of you guys wanted me to manage your money, but guess what? I'm not managing your money, but I'm going to let you guys copy my trades. So let me start my phone so that you guys can see my performance, and then how do you copy me. You know, I'm going to also tell you the risks involved with copy trading and everything. So let's get started. So now, traders, as you can see, this is my HFM homepage. So with copy trading, I'm using HFM. Reason why HFM has one of the best copy trading platforms when it comes to copying trades. So I'm going to be leaving the link to HFM. So make sure if you want to copy my trades, make sure to get the link of HFM, you know, below this video. Sign up, and then there'll be another link below this video that will take you straight to my copy trading, and then you can definitely copy my trades. But now, let me give you the reasons why you need to copy my trades, guys. So first things first, I'm going to open up my copy trading page right here, as you can see. Now, I'm going to even show you how to do everything step by step. So I'm going to tap my strategy accounts, as you can see. So it will bring me to this page, and then I'm going to tap this first one, as you can see. So now this is my page, as you can see, traders. I joined this copy trading. You can literally see everything. I joined 12 days ago. I have over 40 people that are copying my trades, as you can see, guys. And then the best thing about copy trading is I don't need to convince you. Everything here tells you how good I am of a trader, you know. So you can literally see the initial deposit was $200. I started with this copy trading thing on my side with $200, and guess what? We're already up $459. So here you can see the profit we have made over $258 plus $58. You can see. So we have already made back 100% of our initial deposit, meaning if you followed my trades and probably you're putting in the same settings as me, the same settings, and probably you're putting them at 100%, which I'm going to show you, you can actually have made the same money as me. And guess what? This is in the last 12 days. Now you have to remove the weekends and even days where we didn't trade. But the best thing here, you can literally see everything, you know, guys. So first thing is, when here you can see the gain. The gain is how much I have made. So right now we have already made more than 100%. It's just that the data here hasn't yet updated, but we have already made more than 100% here. But still it shows 81%, which is again crazy, traders. So look at this. We're using a leverage of 1 to 1,000, and then maximum drawdown we did 8.8%, guys. That's the drawdown. So you can see when you compare the drawdown and how much we have made so far, the drawdown is just a tiny bit, you know. So this is why you need to follow me. And then for the performance fee just means how much money I take off your trades. So since I'm trading and I'm done doing the work, I'll take off 35% of each trade that we take, and it's a successful trade. So whatever you make, I have to take off 35%, which is again fair. This is actually even more than, it's better than account management. Account management, you do 50%, but this here I just take 35%, just a small piece, as you can see. Then again, as I said here, we have the balance, we have the equity. Our equity still stands at 459, you know. Then when you slope down here, you can see. So this has been my first month doing copy trading, and already up 81%, as you can see. So look, you can even tap here and see the statistics. Now with the statistics, you can see what lot sizes am I using, how many trades have we taken. So we have taken over 16 trades, as you can see, and some of these are just multiple positions but one trade, as you can see. And then positive, we have had 13 good trades and then 3 bad trades, as you can see. So average profit is $25, and then loss is $18, as you can see right there. And guess what? You can even see the lot sizes. I'm using, traders. This is the best thing about copy trading. This is how you know, is this person going to blow my money? So look at this lot size. 0.1, 0.01, 0.01. We literally, I'm not risking, you know. I'm using small lot sizes. We're trying to grow. We're just trying to focus on consistency, you know, growing at a small bit, but again, it works. Now imagine last 12 days we have made over $258. Last 12 days. But again, I told you, not all the 12 days we traded. Some days were weekends. So guys, this is why you need to follow me and copy my trades, guys. So you can even see my curve is here. We started at $200. Right now we are currently seated at 476. Yeah, we almost hit. But I know before the next, again, other 12 days, we're going to have hit our $1,000 because we're trying to hit $1,000 as our first target for this copy trading, and we're going to keep on going, and we're not going to withdraw money. We're not going to withdraw any money. So again, you can literally see the number of trades I've taken, positive and all that, and how the average trade like holding time. So since I'm using 0.01, so we're holding trades even up to 3 hours, you know, because we're trying to make so much money with a very minimum risk. So as our money keeps on increasing, we're going to also increase our risk slowly by slowly. And when you come back this side to overview, how much can you start with to do copy trading? You start with $100. For my case, minimum deposit is $100, but again, it doesn't mean you just have to deposit only $100. You can start with $200, $300, and then depending on the risk that you're putting in, you can make the same exact amount as I'm making, or even lesser than me. So again, traders, as I said, everything says for itself. The performance, everything says for it. I don't need even to talk for my strategy. Everything says for itself right here. Now, how do you follow me? How do you connect and follow my strategy? Now, let's say you tap the link below this video, and then you want to, you know, follow me, my strategy. So you're going to tap here, follow up here. You see there is this follow button right up here, this one. So when you tap follow, it's going to take you to another page. You know, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now with this page right here, you can put in the amount that you want to put in, as you can see. So, and this is after you creating the HFM account. So make sure if you don't have an HFM account, make sure to get the HFM account. Then again, tap the link below this video. There will be another link that will take you straight to my copier. You know, so when you come here, probably put in here the money that you want to put in. So you probably say you want to start with $100 or 200, and then when you come down here, this is volume allocation. Volume allocation, basically this is for the trade that I'm taking. So if I take a trade and probably want to make the same money, then you can choose 100% volume allocation. So if I put a 0.02 or a 0.1 lot, the same lot size goes onto your account. This is for the volume allocation. But if you want, you can do 20%, 30%, you know. So the risk, or how much risk goes onto your account, it's you that defines it right here. Then rescue level. Rescue level is basically how much money you want to stop copying my trades if probably I'm going into losses. You can say if I lose 25% or 5% of the money on your account, let me close. It will automatically disconnect you from my copier. If you say if I lose 50% of my money, then the 50%, if you started with $100 and you lose $50, the rest of the $50 will stay on your account and it will be disconnected automatically, as you can see. Now, that is for the rescue level. Then we have copy, we have this one right here, copy minimum and maximum trade volume. So you can either do minimum or maximum trade volume, as simple as that. And then here, put in your password, and then you can put in my ID broker. Actually, if you already have an HFM account, I'll leave you the ID for my broker, so you can put it in here, as you can see, and then you can just add and then tap here and then start following right here, as you can see. Now when you start following, it will bring you straight. You will now follow my trades, and as simple as that. You don't need to do anything else. Now just watch how money starts flowing into you, as you can see. Again, I said here you can put in the amount. Here you can put in either $500, whatever you are willing to. Then volume allocation, you can put in again 20%, 60%, whatever that works for you right there. But if you want to receive the same results as me, I would recommend you put 100%. But since again trading is risky, and again profits are never guaranteed in the markets, however much I can show you the good performance and everything, it's always good to be mostly on the defensive more than on the offensive. So I would say you put in maybe 90%. If again you're a risk taker, you can do the 100% right there. Then rescue level, again, you can choose 50%, 10%, but I would say 50% because we're not risking that much. We're using only 0.01 lots. I'm using 0.02 lots, so I'm not risking that much. You shouldn't even be worried, you know. Then you can even read there. So when you tap here, you can see copy minimum volume means that you will be copying the trade based on the minimum trade volume available and all that blah blah. So here you can choose either minimum or maximum right here, and then put in the password, and then you start copying my trades, guys. I'm going to be leaving the links below this video, guys. Go follow this strategy, and don't just follow me for the performance that I've showed you guys. Last 12 days we are up 100%. Not 81%. It's just that the data here hasn't like yet updated, but we're already up. Because if you decide with $200 and then you're already up $258, that is more than 100 and probably 20 or something percent. You know, let me ask ChatGPT, how much are we up? ChatGPT does all the work for you guys. We're up 128%. 128% right there. You can see, guys. So don't just follow me for my performance. Don't follow me because of Basil. No, follow me for my performance, guys. Everything is transparent. When you tap the statistics here, you can see all the trades that we have taken, guys. We take 3 trades in a day. One trade, if it goes into the loss, the other trade is for us to recover, guys. And we're only trading gold. That's why you can see this box, this thing right here. We're only trading gold only, guys. Everything is transparent, man. So again, are there any risks when it comes to copy trading? Yes, you may lose money, but you can't lose 100% of your money. You control your money. As I told you, we have the rescue, this rescue thing right here. When you tap rescue here, you can save your money. You know, you can save your money. This rescue level right here. So you can either choose 10%, 50%. You know, so again, there isn't like really much risks when it comes to copy trading, and mostly based off the performance that someone displaying. You know, this can be I'm using a registered broker, guys. I'm not using any small brokers. This is a top tier broker, HFM. You see, so again, basically when I take a loss, you can have the same loss as on your account, but again, as I said, our losses are $15, $10 minimum, like maximum. We're not risking that much since we're using a 0.01 lot, meaning even though I'm risking 100 pips, it won't take so much of our money, you know. But again, we're trying to, as much as we can, to hold and make at least 800 pips on our trades, which is again good. So I recommend copy trading for anyone that is struggling with the forex market and you're failing to make money. And $100 you have it, because minimum deposit is just $100, traders. $100 and you start copying my trades. You don't need $1,000, you don't need $2,000, you don't need to do account management where you're giving someone $3,000. No, just $100, and then watch your money grow for over a period of time, guys. So again, whatever I'm saying here, again, it's not financial advice. Do all these things after making your own research, guys. So I'm going to be leaving the links below this video. Go check out my performance, and if you're happy about my performance, definitely join. And I'm also going to be leaving the links to my Telegram, guys, for more information on how you can get started with copy trading. So every week I'm going to be dropping a video on how we have performed. So far everything is good, guys. Last 12 days we are up you know, we're up more than 128%, which is a crazy percentage, man. You can even see here the graph right here. Like, even though I'm to compare myself to other guys, let's say follow a strategy, and then let's look at what other guys are doing. What percentages are they doing? So for us, this is our first month. So I'm going to come to this guy. Now look at this guy. This guy has done 8,000%, but this is for the time being that he has been on this copy trading. So you can see he's being followed by 500 people. Now when you come to this guy, let's see. So this guy, so maximum drawdown is 29%, which is good. So this guy joined 10 months ago, as you can see. He's from Japan. And then let's look at the percentages that he's doing. So this is what I'm trying to mean. So you can see he's doing he did 24% in Jan, 29% in Feb, he did 66 in March, he did 176 in April, he did 65 in May, and he has done 69 in June. Yeah, and for us we have already done 128%. You can see, guys. So this is our first month, and you're going to see that results are going to be crazy results. And we haven't withdrawn the money. Whatever we're making, we're not withdrawing. We're just going to grow and grow, guys. So make sure to go and follow my strategy, guys. Make sure to go follow it, and best of luck. Enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.